Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the French shock replacement on a 2007. This will be to 2007 to 2014. This is the GMC Sierra. Now this will apply to the Denalis, the Yukons, the Silverados, the Avalanche, Tahoes, Suburbans, and all that. So yeah, if this video helps you out, just let me know in the comments. Comment down below if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future. But anyways, you're gonna need a 21 millimeter to take off the lug nuts, and then jack stand points are on the frame itself. So as you can see right there, I lifted up from right there on this subframe right here, and I was able to lift up both wheels at once, and then I put the jack stands. So if you're gonna do one side, make sure you do that, since we're gonna be under the car. So we're gonna go ahead and take off these bolts that hold in the shock. Those are gonna be 14 millimeters. So on the upper strut tower, because I guess we gotta take off the shock, we're gonna have this little clip right here. So you're just gonna go ahead and spin that. That sits right up on the bolt. So spin that right off, and there's gonna be 3 18 millimeter bolts. Don't forget to mark it. So we're gonna go ahead and mark it with the whiteout pen. So we'll just do, you know, one little bolt right here, and then we'll do that little dot right there, so that we know how our shock will go back. So we'll go ahead and take off those bolts right there. See if I can do this all with one hand. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and push the shock out the way. We'll just probably lift it up through here. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and install our shock. So we'll put it in all the way down first, and then we'll lift it right up. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put in the shock. We're going to get a pry bar right here, and then we'll just go ahead and angle it right in. Close. Going to go ahead and put on your wheel. Once you put on the wheel, you're going to go in a star pattern. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's how you'll tighten them. And then you'll go ahead and lower the car. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos. And thanks for watching.